Hi everyone, today we're going to be cooking salt and garam masala squid. I'm sure you all heard of salt and pepper squid. This is an Indian twist to the famous salt and pepper squid. What we have over here is a freshly cooked golden brown salt and garam masala squid going together with homemade mint yogurt. Okay, here we have some squid tubes. What we're going to do today is the salt and garam masala squid, which is a take on the world famous salt and pepper squid. First, we just need to make sure that the squid is nice and clean from the inside, cut it in half, and we need to just score the squid from the inside so that when it starts cooking in the fryer, it just curls up naturally. We just grow like a little crisscross on the squid just to make sure that we get nice cuts on it and slice it on an angle like in a triangular shape. And what we have here is a mixture of rice flour, salt, garam masala, and a little bit of cracked black pepper. And we just toss the squid. So basically the squid cuts into diagonally just to give it an incision on the inside, and we put it in the dusting flour. Same way we do the other squid piece as well. Open it up, make sure that it's nice and clean from the inside, and gently score on the inside. Again, taking it off diagonally. Like so. So you have a really nice diamond shaped cut, and then you just cut the squid along. And put it into the dusting flour again. Okay, we now will sift the squid from the flour mix just to get the nice coating of the flour onto the squid, and then we deep fry the squid in vegetable oil at about 170 to 175 degrees, closer to no longer than 2.5 minutes, because once they are marinated and coated in the flour, they tend to cook really quickly. There we are. That's nice and golden fried squid. Just a little pinch of garam masala to go on the top and some salt. Just toss together. And to plate it up, there's the mint yogurt that we have. And just place it on top of the mint yogurt. And here we go. And what's stopping us to put a little bit more salt and the flavor of the dish, homemade garam masala. So here we are. That's the final dish that we prepared today, salt and garam masala squid. Just simple garnish with chopped fresh coriander just to make it look like nice on the plate. The boys can have a taste of it now. How do you like it, boys?
It's really soft and the flavor is really good.
That's the way. Thank you.